Hi, Happy New Year 2025. As we step into New Year, I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to all our valued clients, partners, and supporters and engineers for trusting us and being a part of our journey. 2024 was a year of growth, learning, and collaborations, and we are excited to carry this momentum into 2025. Our commitment to innovation, excellence, and serving your needs remains stronger than ever. This year, filled with new opportunities, meaningful connections, and shared success. May this year, 2025, bring joy, prosperity, and accomplishments for us all. Thank you for being a part of our story. Let's make this year extraordinary together. Wishing you all Happy New Year once again.